Good day, please introduce me yourself.
I'm Williamie Turajo, 25 years old. I have two children, 7 years old and 3 years old. I'm living in Beliga, San Fermin. I have two brothers and one sister. I'm second in the family. I'm high school graduate.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
No, sir. I work in the Philippines, a housemaid in 2 years, to couple with 3 children, age 17, 13, and 3 months old baby. My work is cleaning, cooking, laundering, and ironing, and take care to 3 months old baby.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Hope you select me as your helper. I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise to serve your family all my best. Thank you.